Want to monetize TikTok account? In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can do that. The first thing you want to do is open up the TikTok app on your device. Now tap on the three lines at the top right corner, then select settings and privacy. Now tap on the account option. If you haven't already, you want to switch to business account. Switching to a business account gives you more features in terms of monetization. But if you don't want to do that, head back. Now tap on the three lines again and this time head over to TikTok Studio. Now select monetization option over here. You have the option of monetization program, select view all. If you're eligible for any of this, you can simply select that. Now toggle on the option, then select turn on. This is going to turn on the monetization program. If you are not eligible for any of this, select get notified when I'm eligible option, then select all programs. Now you will be notified when you're eligible to monetize your TikTok account. And that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.